In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub profile README. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. A well-crafted README can showcase your skills, interests, and projects while leaving a lasting impression on visitors to your profile. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, you need to log into GitHub. Head over to github.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to select Your Repositories. This will take you to a page that lists all your repositories. Now, if it's a specific project you want to manage, look through the list and click on that project's name. If you don't have a project yet, don't worry. You can create a new one by clicking the New button on the Repositories page and following the prompts to set it up. But for now, let's focus on adding that README file to an existing project. Once you're in your project, your attention should turn to the options at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a button that says Add File. Click on this, and a small menu will pop out. Your next step is to select Create New File. Alternatively, if you scroll down the page a bit, you should also see an option at the bottom that says Add a README. Either way works, so choose whichever path feels easier for you. Next up is naming your file. It's crucial to get this right, so type in readme.md exactly like that. If the field isn't already filled with readme.md, make sure you enter it correctly, as GitHub recognizes this name for profile READMEs. Now that our file is created, it's time to write some content. In the text edit box that appears, you'll be able to describe your project or perhaps even share a little bit about yourself. A great way to add structure to your text is by utilizing Markdown syntax, which is a simple way to format text. For example, if you want to create a large heading, you would start that line with a hashtag followed by a space. This is how you create an H1 heading. So you'd write #title for the main title of your README. If you want a smaller heading, you can create H2 and H3 levels by adding additional hashtags. For example, #title will create an H2 heading, while #title will give you an H3 heading. This formatting will help break up your content and make it visually appealing to anyone browsing your GitHub profile. Once you're satisfied with the content you've written, it's time to save your changes. Head up to the top right of the screen where you'll see a button that says Commit Changes. Click on that, a confirmation pop-up will show up, and you'll want to click Commit Changes again to finalize everything. And there you have it. Your README is now live, and you've successfully enhanced your GitHub profile. So remember, creating a GitHub profile README is as simple as logging in,